Certified by WeatherAid for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
So, Jamie, for folks heading out tonight, maybe for a Friday night fun, they're going to stay dry if they get home by midnight, maybe.
Yeah. Well, it looks like after midnight is when the rain moves in. So, yeah, we're going to get through all of Friday evening with no weather worries, and we got through all of Friday with some sunshine. It was like a day at the beach with all that sunshine that we had, at least in most of the area. High cloudiness increasing right now. Temperatures are falling now back from a high of 50 this afternoon. We had a midnight high actually for the day, 54, but this afternoon we got up to 50 for the high here in Springfield. Here's a look at what's going on. A lot of high cloudiness, but the rain's off to the west in southwest Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle. Guess what? As I said yesterday, this is a soggy sequel. This is the exact same setup that we had a couple of nights ago. Remember back to Wednesday night and a Thursday morning? Well, this is exactly how this thing's going to unfold. Rain will break out across Oklahoma and northern Texas overnight tonight. We've got a storm, upper level storm moving through the Intermountain West. We've got a front stall to our south, and as this helped to sort of reinvigorate this front and draw moisture and warmth back over the top of it, we're going to see a big area of rain develop, and then that's going to spread east and northeast across northern Arkansas and southern Missouri. After midnight tonight, it'll be with us as we start our Saturday, but it should shift off to the east as we work into Saturday afternoon. But clouds and damp conditions will linger into the afternoon hours. Here's our forecast. Again, through midnight, looking good. After midnight, though, we'll see this rain spread in. Looks like it will be a soaking rain across southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Notice rain to the north is going to be a lot lighter. So again, it's going to be another event where the bigger rainfall totals are off to the south. This is 7 o'clock Saturday morning. Looks like by late morning, the steady rains are trying to move out of the area. We may still have some lingering light patchy drizzle here along the interstate at noon tomorrow. That should try to shut down during the afternoon. And then for much of the area, we're going to have cloudy skies. There could be some patchy areas of drizzle, especially south of the interstate late in the afternoon hours. But the steady stuff is over with. As far as rainfall totals, light amounts to the north, heavier to the south, could top 1 inch in Harrison, could get close to 1 inch in Branson. Here in Springfield, expecting generally between 1/4 and 1/2 inch of rainfall, but as you slip north of Highway 54, it looks like amounts there will be under 1/10 of an inch. Heading into late Saturday afternoon and Saturday night, it's a repeat of what we had yesterday. I think we're going to have cool and damp conditions during the afternoon. That's what we're going to go into the overnight with. Winds are going to be light, and this is a recipe for dense fog once again across the area. And it looks like this is going to be a widespread round of fog, and some of it will be dense. So keep that in mind if you do have some overnight plans Saturday night, even into Sunday morning. I think that fog is going to be with us. Temperatures tonight, they're going to cool off into the 30s north of the interstate, low 40s to the south, about 39 for a low in Springfield, with a high tomorrow in the upper 40s in most of the area. So it will be, as I said, kind of a clammy day. Looking ahead to Sunday, after some morning fog, we should break out into fairly bright conditions, I think, closer to central Missouri. It's going to be tougher to get rid of the clouds, I think, further south. I think areas closer to and south of the state line, it may stay mostly cloudy right through the afternoon hours. Here in Springfield, I think we're going to break into some sunshine, afternoon highs in the low 50s. Still looking at a potent storm early next week. We're going to get through Monday with quiet conditions, but this storm will develop on Tuesday. It will draw warm and more humid air into the area. And ahead of this storm, and it's going to be, again, as I said, a potent one with a lot of wind energy, we are going to have to watch for that potential of maybe some severe weather with that one, especially south of the state line. I think beyond the storm, we are going to find also that pattern shift. It's going to get a lot colder. So after highs close to 60 on Tuesday, highs in the 40s on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, there's wintertime right there. Looks like mostly cloudy skies both days. Can't rule out some snow flurries, especially north and northeast of Springfield, with highs in the 30s. Steve?
All right, Jamie.